found in typical IDE, integrated development environment, for coding, including code context sensitive prompts. What are these prompts? Whenever in Visual Basic you commit a mistake, let's say I commit a mistake here, him as integer. He tells something. The integer is not defined. It is not a data type. What are these? Context sensitive prompts. All right. These are context sensitive prompts. Now, for initial error detection, including dynamic syntax check. So, context sensitive prompts and dynamic syntax check. This is also called dynamic syntax check. Let's discuss this context sensitive prompt. So these are context sensitive prompts as well. Dynamic syntax check is when you write a program and in that program you have committed a mistake. It tells right away. You see, when there are two types of converters, translators of the language. Visual Basic is kind of language when we are editing. When we are editing, we are actually using interpret. As soon as we enter, it interprets the line and tells us if it is an error. This is called what? Dynamic syntax check. For presentation including pretty text, pretty print. Pretty print या pretty text का मतलब क्या होता है? If you have this program written, you see several things are in blue. Blue is marking keywords. Several things are red. Red is marking a string. Several things are pale green. These are those functions which require another subcategory. You have something in black, means these are your words. If you have something in green, you have got few words which are comments. So all of it is called pretty text, yeah, pretty print. Expand and collapse code blocks. Expand and collapse code blocks means these. These are expand and collapse code blocks. You have more subroutines, you can collapse several and you can work with one only. All right. These are called expand and collapse code blocks. These are code blocks.